Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use a bonus bait in the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bait app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your account or wallet icon to see your available bonus baits. This will show how much bonus credit you have ready to use. Go to the sport or event where you want to place your bait. Browse the option and pick the game or match you want to wager on. Tap on the odds for the bait you want to place. This will add it to your bait slip at the bottom of the screen. In the bait slip, you will see an option to choose your bonus bait instead of your cash balance. These options to apply your bonus bait to your wager. Enter the amount you want to wager using your bonus credit. Then tap place bait. Your bait will be submitted and you will see a confirmation on the screen. After placing the bait, you can check your open baits or bait history to track result. Remember, winning from bonus baits may have specific rules or restrictions, so check your account details if needed. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use bonus bait in the Hard Rock Bait app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.